Okay. Okay. Huh? Okay. Hi, puppy. So cute.
It's not.
Wait, let's make some piecitos. And then out of the casita. Yes. It's so fucking hot. Toto's gonna have a heat stroke.
I'm gonna go on the bus with it.
Oh, there's a cheeky. Okay, we have to go. Hey, the bus comes in 1 minute. Oh my! Don't scare me. Ugly ass dog.
Why'd I get pushed?
Bro, it was scared me whenever we're walking. Shout out to the local liquor store. Wait, the bus is not that way? Oh, okay. Toto! 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 Close the door! No! We can't see. So, long story short, Toto, he got lost. I dropped him off, and then he finally didn't want to go back on, and he ran. He almost got run over. We're at Target. I forgot to.
I put my hair down because it wasn't comprehending. And we got Starbucks.
So,
And
scary. Scary on a mission.
we had a long day today.
We had a long day. So we lost Evie right now. We're gonna.
Bro.
Give us a haul of what you got. Oh my god. Jean Paul Gaultier.
Oh, I was gonna get another another Yukon, but I already have one. More doesn't hurt, right?
Right. Outfit check. Outfit check. Excuse me. Outfit check. Go.
Outfit check, yeah.
Okay. Outfit check. Yeah. Yay.
What are fighting? What's happening? Is he in New York?
That lady's drunk. Hey, where am I recording it? Hey. Get it. Okay, why are these so cool?
Yo, I'm a tour boy. I can't with these shoes now. I mean, shit with these shoes. Dude. They have these drippy spiky fire.
Wait, I need some of that. It's right there, all the way over there. Recording any people, literally. Oh wait, did we do a fit check for you?
Toes on.
Okay, toes on.
Hey, Aloe. Levi's. Target. That's all.
Yes.
Oh, guess. From Bradley.
Rally, not Bradley. Bus. Oh, wait.
Wait, where did your dad work?
Bus.
Once I turn 18, once I turn 18, they're gonna give me like this.
Oh.
What is it though?
Oh. Guys, it's kind of spacious here. I'm gonna go on. Okay, guys. We're gonna do weird noises. Ready?
You're like this. Like this, or you're like flush. Yeah, scrambling.
I was really loud.
Yeah.
We got off the bus.
And some guy pressed us.
Some guy pressed Ali and me.
He was all like, with you too. And then I was like, before I up. And then he was all
Yes, we made it. We're right there. Where? Oh.
You wanna go?
So we have to wait 20 minutes for boiling crab.
Wanna go?
I'm gonna just get crab.
Sure.
A pota. Yes, I do.
Do you want to get crab?
We're going in. Finally. Why do I get notifications at this time? Leave me the fuck alone.
You guys took the goods.
Bruh, I fuck.
For today, we don't have any green crab, no live crawfish, soft crab, and no Chinese crab.
Hey, how are we gonna put this? Okay. You can't do that.
Oh, you're recording?
Don't do it like that.
It was like the thing is real. They're gonna snatch that shit even though it's fake. It's real.
I don't give a shit.
Let's make the Caucasians.
That's not the Caucasian.
Or Caucasians. Or whatever it's.
That looks disgusting from like that.
Well, it's salt and lemon. I mean, it's salt, pepper, with lemon.
Wait, don't forget we ate the pizza slice.
That was just a snack.
Yeah. It was a big ass slice too. It was a decent.
Yeah,
big
it was
slice.
like-
It was like a snack.
It was like the 7-Eleven one.
Big ass slice, but that was a little bit though. And I ate his crust because he didn't want it.
Yeah.
Hot dogs, that shit was small as hell. And then how you prepare it,
The 7-Eleven one? Yeah, look at him a little bit more. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh. Yes! That's his whiskers.
Not the goal. Hey, remember when I did last time?
My snow crab? Oh.
Sorry.
And then Cisco got that.
What is this for? For your food.
You not that.
And then we have our Caucasian. We got
you take everything off, so it's
our.
just a pure shrimp.
We got our. What is this? Where you crack the crab. And then. Wait, what is this? Wait, what is this? Oh, my. Oh. What is this?
So hold it, I don't know.
I have no idea.
Oh, okay. Well, we're gonna eat right now because we're gonna be really, really happy. Aftermath. Ooh, Annie fucked up her. She fucked up her shrimp.
This is like I spent
No. I fucked up my crab legs and my Caucasian.
Oh my god.
Oh, I almost fell. Cisco fucked up shrimp.
So what?
You fucked up your shrimp.
Fuck, fine.
Bruh. Go.
Stop recording me, I don't get consent.
Go.
What?
Do it.
Let me do the shrimp.
Okay, whatever.
Oh god, it was 35.
Yeah, I'm 35. The bill, how much is the bill? 120, 1112? Go.
Riley, I'm paying for you. Better be grateful.
Okay. What's this? Evie Devour.
Mine wasn't bad, that was $11.
And his all was $112. Not bad.
And my toes.
Oh, wait, I'm a confirm.
Are you seeing this?
Oh, you can't do it.
Let's go to Six Flags and that's in my Cisco.
Yeah.
Oh, I share my eyes.
Now people are gonna crop you.
Invite the guy and maybe we can find you.
Why is it so static? Oh, I didn't record, but we came back home. Where did we go? Where did we go after?
After we went to kick it, the boiling crab, and then to the boba, and then we walked around.
Oh,
and
yeah.
went home.
We went to Boba, guys.
You guys didn't see Toto, our dog. That bitch is gone.
He
did
got
not
lost.
make it home.
So if you guys see a Chihuahua mixed with a Yorkshire and is really ugly and looks like a rat, please let us know because this bitch is lost and we can't find him. Wait, I think I'm asleep. So